324. We have this really huge rug that we spilled interior or exterior paint, not sure which one, probably interior gray. So we try to clean it out like a lot with a brush and a rag and many buckets of water. That just took forever. So I'd say like 1/4 of a gallon. And by the way, this is a rug. It's called Salve Amsterdam, 11 by 15 feet. And so that didn't work. So we moved all the furniture and we got this rug out in the driveway. But I have an oak tree, so we got to blow all the oaks away. And then overnight, all the oaks fell on, so we got to blow the oak away again. And now I've been vacuuming in this thing or filling this with hot water. And then I find out the chemical goes on this side. And then didn't see no water came out until I hit, and I turned this thing to water rinse right there, all the way in there. This is called the Bissell Pro Heat Turbo ×2. And Bissell, I don't know its official name, but it has 12 amps of power. And so let's go ahead and switch over the 2 units.